Hello, welcome to MAC2233, Calculus for Business and Social Sciences. I'm your instructor, Professor Al Grocha. We will be meeting on Monday, Wednesdays from 11:30 to 1:10 p.m. using Zoom. We are a RTV, real-time virtual course. On the first day of class, I will go through everything that you need to know for the course, but how do we get to the first day? So you go into Canvas, and on the left menu, you'll see a Zoom button. You'll click on Zoom, and then you'll see that the class meeting will be here. Join. That's how you'll enter the class. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. Also in the welcome message, you'll also see that I've included the direct link if there's any issues on the first day. Again, I'll go over everything on the first day of class, but please feel free to look through the course, check out the start here, the course schedule, the grading. If you go into syllabus, you can read through the syllabus, how to contact me, when my student engagement hours are. You can look through all the details of the course before the first day class. But again, on the first day class, I will go over everything. I look forward to meeting all of you, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me.